How to create Zoom meeting link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create a Zoom meeting link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Zoom and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to create a meeting link, scroll down a bit and navigate to your right hand side. There is options to schedule, to join a meeting, or to host a meeting. So for now we will just create, or we will move forward with scheduled a meeting. Once you land on this schedule meeting page here, now you can schedule a meeting. First of all, add a topic to your meeting. If you want to add description, you can do that as well. So click on add description and add description. Under that, you have to add the date and time as well. So here under this section, add your date, and on this section, add your time. You can also add duration to your meeting as well. Once you're done with that, now scroll down a bit and here you can type in user, emails, names, or email address as well. Under that, there you get two options where you can use your personal meeting ID or to go with the one which the Zoom will generate the meeting ID automatically. If you want that, then you can select the first option. Under that, there you can select the template as well. And you have various options to add whiteboard or to white docs as well. So according to your preferences, you can go with one of these. Under that, under security, you will have your passcode. So this is the passcode for your meeting. Scroll down and there you have more options that you can change from. And once you're done saving your settings, now click on save. After you do that, you will see this kind of interface where you'll have your invite link. So this is the link for your meeting. Here you can copy the link and then share it. So that's how you can create a meeting link on Zoom. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.